Hi! Today I'll show you how to fix damaged wire for HyperX Cloud gaming headphones. Of course, this tutorial will also work for other headphones. One of the problems is when the cloth cover makes a loop. Of course, it does not affect the sound, but I still don't like it. That's why we will try to eliminate it. But without a cloth cut, it cannot be done. For this small task, we will need some instruments and appropriate size thermotube. Choose any color you want. With paper knife, cut the wire's cloth sock, but don't cut the wire. Unless you want to repair it too, I guess. Then from the both wire ends move the cloth closer to damaged part, to reduce the length of non-cloth wire. Cut off the heat shrink tubing that is slightly longer than non-sock covered part, or just add many small tubes. Choose appropriate diameter of tubing so that you can get it over the tip by slightly tweaking it. Then install the tubing on damaged part, and make sure small part of tubing is on the wire's sock. Since I have a fairly long non-sock part, I will put a few of them. And here's the result. If only one tubing is used, it looks a lot better, because smaller number of connections and transition points. I hope that this video will help you fixing these loops. You can also watch my other tutorials by clicking the I button in the upper right corner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Next time I will show you how to fix HyperX Cloud wire that is damaged right next to the headphones, and that's why they are not working.